So there are various alternatives to remote repositories. So there's a lot of them. These are just a few of them, not all of them anyway. So there's GitHub, which is what we're looking at. There's Road Code, there's Bitbucket, there's Beanstalk, there's Gitkraken, there's Gox, there's SourceForge. But normally you see a lot of people, and there's GitLab. You see a lot of people going for GitHub, GitLab, or maybe Bitbucket. I've seen some people also going for Beanstalk and SourceForge. Some of them are not open source. Well, they could be open source, but some of them are not free. And so mostly people go for GitHub, GitLab, and maybe Bitbucket. But the other versions are also allowed for you to use as well. But most of them, like SourceForge and all those ones, are paid. Even Git has some kind of paid version as well. Because GitHub, not Git, by default, you can only have one or two repositories, which can be private. If you want more private, then you have to do the paid version as well. So that's why people go for other ones.